I will do a completely top-down analysis on Ethereum. How I do it, how you can learn from it, you will see in this video. So if you like it, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and then I would say, let's go. So guys, before the video starts, with the first link in the video description, you can check out my free Telegram group. There you will find more content about trading. So for example, like daily market updates, my trading setups, and so on. So if you want, check it out with the first link in the description. The first thing we have to do now here is to go on our chart analysis platform. And for this, I'm using tradingview.com. So you can go with this link here. So I would say, let's click here on TradingView and you will see it will directly look like this. So this is the main menu of TradingView. What we have to do now here is to search our asset. For this, we go here to this top button and go on search. The first thing we have to put in is our broker. As you can see, I'm using Bitget, in my eyes the best trading broker. If you want to save 50% of fees and support this channel, you can check out the link in the video description. After our broker, we go with our asset, and this is for today Ethereum against USDT. Then you will see there are two options, and we go here with the perpetual mixed contract, which is the future market. So I'm going here on open chart on the blue button, and you will see the chart will directly open. The third thing we have to focus here is our time frame, because as you can see, I'm now here in the weekly chart. If you want to check out all the time frames, you go here on this little button, and there you can see all the different time frames. I already marked my favorites here. You can feel free to do this also, but we start here in the weekly, then we continue with the daily, we go to the 4 hours, to the 1 hour, to the 5 minute, and to the 1 minute chart. So let's start here with the 1 weekly chart. And if we take focus here on Ethereum, we see the following. We are here in a directly downtrend, and we also see that on this point we build our bottom here. So we are now here in the consolidation period where we maybe want to focus for the next bull run. If it starts, we will take a look now. So if I go here to the chart, what is interest for us is not the past, because we only focus on this period here. And what I see directly are some support and resistance level. So first of all, we have this level here, which is our bottom, which is our absolutely low, where we don't want to see Ethereum, but maybe we will see. But here's like a perfect place for a long trade. Next to this, we see some more levels. We see, for example, like this level where the market is here reacting a lot of. So here is another strong, in my eyes, support level for a long trade positioning size. I also do this here in green, because support in my eyes is all the time in green. So it's better for me to focus on. Next to this, what we also see is that we are here in a dynamic channel right now. So if we take a look, this is our resistance, and here you can also see our support, our dynamic support, which is here also in green. And we are now in this channel, which is perfectly in the weekly chart to trade. But as you can see, the weekly chart, one candle is 1 week. And what we want to focus are scalping trades. So we have to go on the lower time frames. But next to this, we also have here this block where I see an overview of price target for the next days or the next weeks for Ethereum. So this level here, in my eyes, is very attractive for Ethereum. It could be our long-term or short-term goal. What I do now is to switch to the smaller time frame, and I go here to the daily. In the daily time frame, we have now some different informations, because we see that we already broke this dynamic support. We went back in, but in my eyes, this dynamic support is not longer relevant for us. So I will cancel it here, but we see that we have maybe this dynamic support line. If we focus this, we could go in a channel like this, which is maybe for us attractive, but we have to see what the chart is doing next. Also, we see that we have a strong order block on this period here. So if we, for example, would breaking up, we would definitely see a strong support here on this level. So this level is very interesting for us. For the video, I will cancel it now so that we have a better overview. Next to this, we don't see that much information here in the daily right now. We just have some strong levels, but we already marked them in the weekly. So what I do next is to go on the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart right now is a lot of more attractive for us, because here we see a lot of very important things. First of all, we see some dynamic support and resistance. We see first of all that we have a very strong level on this point as a resistant mode. Yeah, if we want to like market in a box, I would definitely go here with this period where we are very focused on a short trade. And as you can see, we already reacted perfectly on this point. Next to this, we see that we have here like a dynamic support line, which is also very attractive for us. Yeah, and this has like like a quite view like a falling wedge here, but yeah, the up movement before is like not that normal, so I would not like go here with a falling wedge, which normally would continue with this here. I would definitely go now to the smaller time frame, but we have now a good overview what is happening here in the 4-hour chart. We have our dynamic support and resistance areas here. So I would say let's continue with the 1-hour time frame here. Here we perfectly see how often we react on this period. This is very strong for us. Here we could definitely place a perfect short trade, and right now also we see that we have perfect reactions here. Next to this, we see our dynamic support is also strong, and we see that we built one more of them. So we have like this dynamic support line here. So for us, it's now important what is happening if we break out this support, because if I would see a lot of movement here to the next support. So it's very interesting here at this point. Next to this, we don't see any other important informations on the point here. No trading pattern which we would trade. So I would say let's continue here with the 5-minute time frame, and I'm definitely sure we will find a lot of more information in the smaller time frame for right now, because as we see, we built here a descending triangle pattern, which is a very bearish pattern for us. And here you see that this pattern perfectly works. So for example, normally a pattern like this works as following. We see a lot of liquidation is bouncing back and up, down, building so much liquidity here, and then breaks out in one of the both ways. Most of the time in this kind, it's like a bearish breakout, and here you see, boom, we had our bearish breakout. So now what is happening? Maybe we see a bounce back, but I think we will crash down here to this point. So here you could like perfectly place your trade. All in all, the 5-minute time frame in my eyes is the best time frame for scalping. 5 and 1-minute time frame. Here you will find so much patterns. It's also so good here with support and resistance. Also here we see that on this level we have a lot of movement. So maybe we will see now a bounce back. We have to take a look on. Last but not least, I'm switching here to the 1-minute time frame. Here you also see that we break out this pattern. We perfectly we move on this support line here. I will mark it also in green. And now it's very important what is happening here, because maybe we will see a bounce back, but in my view, what is more realistic is that we will see a breakdown. And this is how I go with my chart analysis. Guys, you saw I'm only using on this video support and resistance and a trading pattern. All in all, there are so much more things you can do in the chart analysis. If you, for example, want me to show you like candlestick patterns, like price action and so on, let me know in the comments. If you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and then I would say goodbye.